only Seventh-day Adventist church that was annihilated, literally annihilated by Hurricane Helene.
We're talking about Asheville, and many of you know your Bibles have heard of Gideon and Gideon's 300 volunteers.
We are looking at an unbelievable mission opportunity there in Asheville, North Carolina. Not only are we doing the usual, the mega clinic with the medical and the dental and the vision and the lifestyle and the medical massage and the free meals, and the list goes on, but in addition to that, we are doing the construction of an entire Seventh-day Adventist church. By God's grace, with enough volunteers, we can run the clinic, construct this church property, and most importantly, do the evangelism at night. But we are only at 180 volunteers right now, Scott, and that includes medical and non-medical. We got to get a lot more, especially the medical professionals.
I've never been involved in something quite like this. And what makes it unique is that we are actually merging the medical clinic with the evangelism. It's an innovative approach, and we really believe that it'll draw a lot of numbers. So we're shooting for maybe 2,000, 1,700 to 2,000 people. We're giving them activities throughout the day, including meals. And we're doing the evangelism immediately after the medical clinic. The key component, though, is we need volunteers to help the visitors. Because if we have the manpower volunteer-wise, that'll draw more visitors and therefore more people at the evangelistic meetings.